Well, this is day 2. We're down one. She laid on one, which was interesting. She actually brought it out here to the front of the pen and buried it. But everyone's looking good. Mom's out here eating her breakfast, and I'm gonna finish getting her some water, some fresh water. Now, I did something just by, you can see I put this hay on top of her pen, just to kind of shield her from the heat. I'm telling you, it made a huge difference. You can't even, the underside of this tin isn't even warm. Just that little bit of hay made that much difference. So, just thought I'd note that.